Cyber Sisters and Misters, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another tutorial. Today I'm doing a full glueless set on my nails. So if you want to see me getting nailed, stay with me. Start with clean hands, then soften and trim your cuticles. My nails are temporarily stained from toddler finger painting, so I know I picked a fine time to do a nail tutorial. But overlook that, sis. Just stay focused. We've got to get glam for the low. My schedule has finally aligned with my intentions, and I'm super excited to create this tutorial. I've been planning to upload a beginner-friendly nail tutorial for several months. See, not too long ago, I punched that corporate America time clock too, so I know a little something about restrictions for, quote, acceptable manicures in the workplace.
Not too bright.
Not too long.
Clear polish only.
Neutrals only.
And all of that jazz. But I've got you. This high gloss French mani will take you from the professional boardroom, laid back happy hour. And for only $11. So let's get into it. Let's get it. So before trimming my cuticles, I removed the old nail polish. Now I'm pushing back my cuticles with the flat end of an orange wood stick for a neater, longer nail bed effect. Now you'll use a cotton ball that has been soaked in antiseptic to remove any excess oils and shines from the bed and around the base of the fingernail. This step helps the artificial nail adhere to the natural nail. The next step is to add nail primer to the natural nail. Primer is probably one of the most important steps in nail prep because the primer affects the longevity of the set. It changes the pH balance of the nail, which further enhances adherence properties. So take my advice, avoid getting the primer all over the nail cuticle. Try to keep it on the nail bed itself. Moving on to the acrylic liquid, just pour what you need in a glass or a porcelain dish. A little goes a long way, especially because we're not overlaying the nails. We're only using the liquid and the powder to adhere the nails. That's right, we're using the liquid and powder mix as the glue for this set. And now here comes the fun part. So you're going to dip the brush into the liquid and you'll tap the brush onto the side of the dish to remove the excess liquid. Dip the brush into the powder in a scooping-like motion. But before applying the mixture to your nail, allow the powder to absorb the liquid. Brush on the mixture and pat it into place. Place the artificial nail on your free edge first and then press down and forward toward the nail bed. Press the nail into place and just hold it. Once you get it where you need it, just hold it. Don't move it, don't slide it, don't glide it. Simply press and hold for about 30 seconds. Be patient. Yes, honey, classy. Look at that high glossy sheen. Get into it. Yeah, just get into it. Sunkissed Sisters, when they say less is more, this is what they had in mind. Cleanup is simple with the orange wood stick. Move it around the nail to remove any excess mixture that may have seeped out around the nail while pressing it into place. The liquid will travel up the length of the brush, so only dip the tip of the brush into the liquid. So don't make the same mistake that you'll see me make in the next frame. Over-dipping. Over-dipping causes the mix to become too runny, which causes gaps in your adhesive mixture. This will prevent the artificial nail from adhering properly. The goal is to apply a thin, even coat, not too runny and not too stiff. Blot the brush on the napkin to absorb excess liquid. You'll have more control when the consistency is balanced. It does take practice though. No sanding or filing before applying the nails. You want a smooth, ridgeless canvas for this method. The Kiss nails feel natural, not foreign on my fingertips. I forget I'm wearing them. They don't restrict my usual activities. I can pick up my son. I can type and text. I can still braid or French twist hair. I can load my Glock at the range. No restrictions with this petite length. I try to keep the application of the acrylic neat and not get too much on my sidewalls. I don't want to have so much to do at cleanup. And any acrylic that's left on the skin will cause lifting. And I want to wear this set for about 2 weeks. It takes a little effort to remove these. They don't just pop off. Everyone has their go-to color. I like to wear either French tips or a shimmering nude tone. But in the winter, I do favor grays and golds. What's your go-to color? Let me know in the comment section. Of my 7 sisters, it's funny how we're all so different, yet we're very similar. We all like either clear, white tips, or nude tones on our fingernails, but we love bright colors on our toes. I'm talking sun yellow, electric blue, pink, orange, bold gold. You get the picture. But that's the good thing about being a woman in 2019. Choices. And what's that song? The best thing about being a woman is her prerogative to make up her own mind. Oh, 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 something. I'm a true lover of 90s music, so when I think of my prerogative, I think of this guy. And I know it's your prerogative to subscribe to any channel you like. But stop Bobby Browning your girl. Alrighty, sis. You're already here, so make this channel your choice, not just your prerogative, by subscribing. French tips may not be your cup of tea. There's numerous designs and colors to choose from. If you don't find the color you're looking for, you can always polish it yourself. There's also different shapes and lengths to choose from. There's also toenail tips that can be applied by using the same method. But for my toenails, I use a thicker layer of acrylic to adhere them. Voila! I'm loving this high gloss finish. Beautiful, natural looking results. I'm a fan. Kiss, you've done your thing. You did that. This method is so quick and easy. It's non-damaging to my nails. If you're ready to save your coin, get into it, Sunkissed Sisters. Little effort, big results, small coinage, all at home. I hope you found a few tips that you can use or share with a friend. So tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you try any of the methods that's used here, I hope you found a few tips that you can use or share with a friend. So tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you try any of the methods that's used here today, tag me on Instagram at sunkissed_Nick or by email at sunkissednick@gmail.com. Enjoy the rest of your 24 while I continue to do a little of this and a little of that. Until next time, I'm Sunkissed Nick. Thanks for watching. Bye. Click the link above for another classy, sassy tutorial or a session of Sunkissed Says.